What is the recommended cooking temperature for a ribeye roast?
Hey there, food enthusiasts! Welcome back to our cooking channel. Today, we're going to talk about the recommended cooking temperature for a delicious ribeye roast. If you're wondering how to achieve that perfect medium rare or medium doneness, stick around as we uncover the secrets to cooking a mouth-watering ribeye roast.
Understanding ribeye roasts.
Before we dive into the cooking temperature, let's take a quick look at what a ribeye roast is. A ribeye roast is a flavorful and tender cut of beef that comes from the rib section of the cow. It is well marbled with fat, which adds to its rich taste and juiciness when cooked properly.
The importance of temperature.
Temperature plays a crucial role in achieving the desired doneness of your ribeye roast. Cooking meat to the right temperature ensures that it is safe to eat while maximizing its taste and tenderness. The internal temperature of the roast directly affects its doneness, so it's essential to keep an eye on it during the cooking process.
Recommended cooking temperature.
For a ribeye roast, the recommended cooking temperature depends on your preferred doneness. Here are the general guidelines. 1. Rare, internal temperature, 120 degrees Fahrenheit, 49 degrees Celsius. If you prefer your ribeye roast rare, the internal temperature should reach around 120 degrees Fahrenheit, 49 degrees Celsius. At this temperature, the roast will have a bright red center with a cool and juicy texture. It will be less cooked and retain most of its natural juices. 2. Medium rare, internal temperature, 130 degrees Fahrenheit, 54 degrees Celsius. For a medium rare ribeye roast, aim for an internal temperature of about 130 degrees Fahrenheit, 54 degrees Celsius. This temperature will give you a slightly pink center with a warm, juicy, and tender texture. It's a popular choice for many ribeye roast enthusiasts. 3. Medium, internal temperature, 140 degrees Fahrenheit, 60 degrees Celsius. If you prefer a medium doneness, cook your ribeye roast to an internal temperature of approximately 140 degrees Fahrenheit, 60 degrees Celsius. At this temperature, the center will have a warm pink color, and the roast will be tender, juicy, and cooked through. 4. Medium well, internal temperature, 150 degrees Fahrenheit, 66 degrees Celsius. For a medium well ribeye roast, aim for an internal temperature of around 150 degrees Fahrenheit, 66 degrees Celsius. This temperature will result in a slightly pink center transitioning to a light gray color. The roast will still be juicy but less pink in the center. 5. Well done. Internal temperature, 160 degrees Fahrenheit, 71 degrees Celsius or higher. If you prefer a well-done ribeye roast, cook it to an internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit, 71 degrees Celsius or higher. At this temperature, the center will be fully cooked, without any pinkness. Keep in mind that cooking it beyond 160 degrees Fahrenheit, 71 degrees Celsius, may result in a drier texture. There you have it, folks. The recommended cooking temperatures for a ribeye roast depending on your desired doneness. Remember to use a meat thermometer to ensure accuracy and monitor the internal temperature as you cook. Whether you prefer a juicy rare or a well-done roast, now you have the knowledge to cook it just the way you like it. Happy cooking and enjoy your mouth-watering ribeye roast.